In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Analytics tutorial, how to use Shopify Analytics. Understand Shopify Analytics and reports. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a web browser and signing into your store. From the sidebar, head to Home to make sure everything loads correctly, then move into Analytics. This is your central dashboard for performance, and once the page is ready, you'll see a collection of cards that summarize traffic, sales, and customer behavior. At the top of the dashboard, open the highlighted date range control. First, select Last 7 days. This gives you a quick snapshot of your recent performance and helps you spot near-term trends. Open that same highlighted control again and switch to Last 30 days. A month-long view smooths out daily spikes and helps you see patterns with more confidence. If you open a menu you don't want to change, simply click Cancel to close it without applying anything. Return to the Analytics dashboard if needed. Now, click through the highlighted summary cards to drill into details. Each card opens a deeper view of that metric, often with trends over time and breakdowns by source or channel. As you explore, look for context like percent change versus a previous period and totals, which help you judge whether movements are meaningful. If a chart supports comparisons, use the highlighted Compare option to understand seasonality or the impact of a recent campaign. Next, open the highlighted Orders Over Time report. Here, you'll see orders plotted over time, often by hour or day, with totals and percent change. Use this to identify when customers are most active, spot dips that may indicate issues with traffic or checkout, and compare today to a previous period to understand momentum. If you see irregularities, jump back to the dashboard to correlate with traffic or conversion changes. Go back to Analytics, then open the highlighted Freeform report for a total sales breakdown. This view brings together gross sales, discounts, returns, net sales, shipping charges, fees, taxes, and total sales so you can see precisely how each piece contributes to the bottom line. Scan for high discount rates or rising return fees, and make sure net sales trends align with your goals. If the interface allows, adjust columns or visualization types to match how you like to analyze data. Throughout your session, keep using the highlighted controls for filters, date windows, and comparisons to refine your view without losing your place. That's the core workflow. Access Analytics, set the right time frame, drill into key cards, review orders over time, and analyze your total sales breakdown for a clear, actionable picture